Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unbox my Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of June. If you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So before anything else, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Here it is. This is how it looks like. If you guys haven't seen the first one, I unboxed my May Ipsy Glam bag plus. I'm going to link it down below or in here on the eye. Here are the products that I've got for this month, and luckily I've got this brochure or booklet because last time I didn't get this one. Ipsy collaborated with Tetris for their 35th annual anniversary, so it is a limited edition. So we have some skincare products here and mix of makeup, so bear with me. The first one is this one. This is the Tula skincare. I believe I have 3 of them here, like skincare products or sheet masks. This is how they look like. So I have 3 of these, and this one is probiotics and superfoods. The major benefits of using this one, it will be major glow, cooling and brightening hydro gel mask, and it does have 26 gram or 0.9 ounces in here, and you can wear it for at least 5 to 10 minutes and you can take it away. And it does 100% free from phthalates, parabens, mineral oil, sodium lauryl sulfates, formaldehyde releasing agents, and they are cruelty free. I'm going to use this one. The smell is alright. So here it is. It does have like a shield or something in here, and I'm going to take this off. This film does have film right here. So I'm going to set this one for 10 minutes right here, right there. So I'll be right back after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes here, I'm going to take this off. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys my review or my personal opinions about these products. So I'm moving on. I'm going to use this one next. This one is the C.E.O Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sandra Riley, and this is in, it does have 1.7 ounces here. This moisturizer is infused with ultra potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy luminous glow. This value is $65. How it is, so it does have a cover here, and I think you have to lift this up there. So here it is. So I'm going to grab just a little bit of amount here. So here it is. Smell, it's alright. It's not really overpowering it. So wait, I put too much right there. The texture is a little bit sticky, but not really like heavy one. Is the collaboration of Ipsy and Tetris for their 35th annual anniversary. They have 2 of these eyeshadow palettes. They have the purple one and the green one. So I've got the green one. I was like thinking about, hopefully I'm going to get the purple one because I like the color shades or the color combinations on that palette. and at the end I've got the green one. So either one, I will be happy to get either one of this palette. And it says here game on, and if you open it, it does have this cardboard slip in it. Here it is. It does have this the Z one. If you're gonna put it like this, you're gonna see the Z one. This one are the toughest blocks in Tetris. I don't like them. So, and it's green, and in here it does have that vibe too. So it does have 6 eyeshadows here, and it does have this film. It does have a mirror right here, and the designs is like green and yellow and heart shapes in there, and it says here game on. And it does have 2 or 3 mattes in here, 2 shimmers and 1 metallic kind of one. This one is game changer, game day, game night, stack it up, block party, game over. But the only thing that I wish they could do is make it like the eyeshadows are like kind of blocks. So I'm thinking about to do just a simple look, and I decided to do this makeup look, this one. I'm not going to put any concealer and powder on my eyelids today. I just wanted to have like if it's really good without any base in it. So I'm going to grab some stuff in here. As you guys can see, it pays off the pigment or the color of it without any base in here or the concealer or primer. I'm going to use the Game Over. I'm going to line it right here. Blend it. And I'm going to use this one right here. This is the Nomad. This is their Blue Lagoon. So I have this one. So I'm going to try to put this one on the, like, right here. Then I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back, guys. So moving on to the next product, it will be the Suva Beauty, and here it is. This is their Hydra liner or cake eyeliner in the shade of, I think it's a cake eyeliner. And here it is. It does have 0.35 ounces or 10 grams. It does have this brush, which is the Suva Beauty 620, and I'm going to open up for you guys. Here it is, and it's like clear, and when you open it, this is how it looks like. It's really dry, and the only thing that you can use as a liquid eyeliner or a gel liner is to activate it with water. It's the brush. So I'm going to spray this one first. Last product of this unboxing, it will be this one. This is the Jolii. This is Luxe Creme Matte Trios. So I'm going to open this one. This is the Jolii Cosmetics. And here are the products, the lip products, and each of these, it does have 2.5 ml or 0.085 fluid ounces each of this product. And the applicator is like a simple doe foot. This smell is like kind of a normal type of liquid lipstick, like vanilla cake scent. Tell you guys my final review of this product, these 5 products. First, I'm going to talk about the Tula skin mask or skincare hydrogel mask. These ones are great. They are very hydrating. And the next one will be this one. This is the Sandra Riley C.E.O Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I think a little bit of amount of this cream, it will help the hydration for your skin, because I did use a lot and it's like a little bit slippery on my face, but it will help. It gives me that glow, that hydration in my skin. It's not heavy. It's a little bit tacky, but it's not heavy. The smell of it is alright. It's not too overpowering, the product of it. Next one will be this two. This one, I like using this eyeliner because you can just activate it when you wanted to have like a gel liner, and it's easy to like store it. But the only thing downside is this one, the brush, because it's too long and I'm having a difficult time to fill it in my eyes. And of course, this is the first time I'm using it, but it's hard to use it. And second one, this one is not like a 5-minute makeup thingy friendly, because it will give you like a little bit of time to activate the product. So you have to spray it a little bit, and then you have to make it like your own consistency, the ones that you like consistency of your eyeliner. But this one is much more for the artsy people, or people like really like to invented their makeup look. But this one is really for the painters or makeup artists that really likes to recreate their makeup look. So the next ones are these lippies. For me, they are not for a summer colors. I like these two colors, the Amore and the Plum. I like the formula. It's not too tacky, not sticky, and it's not really very matte, like too dry. It's very comfortable and it's easy to apply on the lips, and it's easy to take it off too. The last one will be the eyeshadow palette. I like the combination of this, although I just used 2 of them, the Game Changer and the Game Over. It's not there's no fallout whenever I use it. And the blue one, or navy blue or dark navy blue, whatever you call it, it's easy to use it in the lower lashes, or right here, as you guys can see. It's easy to blend with other different color. It's not that bad. I like the eyeshadows, the combinations of them, the consistency, the opaque, and the pigmentation of it. That's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and ring that bell button so that you guys get notified whenever I upload new videos. And that's it for you guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.